Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Vivo Y12s 2021 edition. This particular smartphone has 3GB RAM and 32GB of memory, internal memory. And this is the 2021 version of Y2S1. It's basically title sponsor for the IPL. It comes with a massive 5000 mAh battery. It also has side-mounted fingerprint scanner along with holographic gradient colors. This particular variant is Glacier Blue as written over here. Now let's open this box and show you what's inside. So this is what you get inside the box. Over here we have a SIM tray ejector, and this is the basically technical specifications and user manual all packed into one neat little package. I'm not going to take it out, not going to tear this particular wrapper over here. There's also a transparent cover for this particular smartphone. This is a great addition. Okay, we also have a charger. This is the micro USB charging cable for this particular device. There you go. This is the micro USB charging cable for this particular smartphone. And this is the power brick that it comes with. This is the charging adapter for this particular smartphone. There you go. This is a 10-watt charging adapter from Vivo. Now let's take a look at the phone. This is what it looks like. I'm going to switch it on. There, it's switching on now. It has this side-mounted fingerprint scanner right over here, and this is the volume rocker, of course. This is a SIM tray slot over here. Unfortunately, I don't have a SIM card with me, otherwise I would have shown you what it would have been like. Okay, at the back you have a dual camera module along with the flash right over here. This is a 13 megapixel and a 2 megapixel camera module. And this notch over here is the front-facing camera. This is a 8 megapixel front-facing camera. There the display is also on. The first page of any new smartphone is basically you enter the you select the language and the location and the date, time, etc. Then you have to log in via your email ID, and you have to connect to Wi-Fi and log in via email ID. Obviously you can skip those steps and then move ahead as well. In another video I'll show you how to do that. But for now, this is what you find inside the box containing the Vivo Y12s 2021 edition smartphone. Thank you for watching.